Today we're going to learn how to make an origami finger puppet. It's going to be like a origami finger puppet cat. So if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you now how to get one. You fold it corner ways like this, nice and even. And then you want to cut off the excess, the extra piece that flaps over. So this extra piece here. You're going to want to cut that off. So if you're a child, get an adult to help you. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. So you want to cut that off. So it's nice and evenly cut off. Recycle that extra piece of paper you have left, or do whatever with it. Just don't throw it in the garbage. It's a waste. Now, next we're going to take and when you cut that all off, you're going to end up with a square sheet of paper. Just like so. Now, I'm going to suggest taking a piece of paper that's colorful or has color on one side or something. It might look nicer. I'm going to take this here, if I can get it. I have some origami paper. Alright, so we're going to take it, and if you got a colored piece of paper that's colored on one side and white on the other, if you want the color to show up on the face, you're going to want to, or to show up for the ears and stuff, you're going to want to flip it over. White side up, colored side down. So we're going to start by folding it in half corner ways. Nice and evenly. There we go. And fold it the other way in half, evenly. Okay. We've folded in half one way. So fold the right corner down to the bottom center point. So we're going to do this with the right and left. So we'll fold it here. And this side, we're going to fold it here. So now, you got a piece of paper that's folded like that. You're going to fold the right flap up from the center as shown. Whoops. The more precise your folds are, the better your stuff's going to turn out. And you're going to want to repeat the exact same on the other side. Okay. Now you're going to want to take just one layer, not both, just the one layer, the top layer. You're going to want to fold one layer from the bottom section up to the top point. So just like that. Right? Keep that one layer down though for now. Now turn the puppet over. Now you're going to fold in the edges. So you're going to fold the left and right edges inward. Keep the folds nice and crisp. So we're going to take just this left and right edge, and just along here, we're going to fold it inwards. So just so it's like I guess this. I think just like that. Fold the top middle point down. Fold all the layers of the top middle point down. So you're going to take it, oops, fold all the layers down. Okay. You want to make the folds nice and crisp. You're going to fold it over. Or you're going to turn it over, I mean, not fold it over. Oh, whoops. Sorry. One more thing. Fold all the layers of the top middle point down. Make the folds crisp. Turn the puppet over. Oh, you know what? Go back over here. Sorry. You're going to want to fold this all the way up to the top point. I missed that step. So then you got both sides like that. So now you fold that top point, all layers down. And then when you're done doing that, you can even okay, so now we got that. I'm going to flip it back over, like I was originally trying to say. Now we have a blank face for the puppet. So now you could use like a marker or pencil or pen or whatever you want. And you can just quickly, yep, we're going to draw a little face on it. So we're going to do, I don't know, we'll do this. And a little nose here. We're going to do some whiskers. And then we need some little eyeballs. And there we go. We have our cat. Sorry, I'm not the best artist. Not the best at drawing. Now, you can just open it up. And you got a little finger pet. finger puppets. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.